Hello guys, today from this beautiful little forest in the middle of the desert, actually in the middle of nowhere. I cannot enjoy enough this place. It's so beautiful. Coming, there's no one here. It's a perfect afternoon. The weather is amazing, so I decided I'm gonna make a little picnic here. And since a lot of you asked me so many times to make a video how I make karak, I thought it's gonna be a perfect occasion to do it today. But let's start from what actually karak is. Karak is, I would say, the part of the culture here and in general this region of the world, especially during the cold months. Karak is basically tea with milk, but not a normal milk. It's with evaporated milk here. This one, rainbow milk, is very popular. So I'm gonna show you how I make karak today. Now don't take me as an expert because clearly I am not. I just learned how to do it when I came here. I never heard of it before. However, I loved it so much and I even drink it during the hot months. And it's also a part of camping life for me. Actually, when my cousin visited me first time, she loved it also so much, and each time I come back to Poland she always asks me to bring this particular milk and saffron and cardamon for her so that she can make karak at home in Poland. Anyways, I'm not gonna delay anymore. I have all things prepared here, but maybe I will move a little bit further so that you can see. I feel like in a cooking TV show right now. Anyways, what we're gonna need is tea. This tea I have is black tea, but it's already mixed with cardamom for the stronger taste, but obviously any black tea will do, even Lipton tea, it's totally fine. Then the other thing is sugar. The sugar I have here is brown sugar, but same thing, any sugar will do. The rainbow milk, of course, water, and here I have cardamom at the bottom and saffron at the top. We will need obviously a pot to cook it in it, and have the gas bottle here as well as the stove. Now the most important thing, which is the ratio in ingredients. This is basically 160 milliliters of evaporated milk. So this amount of milk you will want to mix with around 2 glasses of water. I am alone here, so it's gonna be definitely too much for me. Like this thing and then half a liter of water, but let's try. Maybe I'll manage to finish the whole pot. Anyways, let's start by adding the water. And you will want to boil it. Let me attach the gas first, obviously. So we'll start from boiling water. Different people prepare it differently, but I prefer to put saffron and cardamom at the very beginning, but you can really add it anytime. I don't think it makes a big difference. Anyways, my water is already boiling, so that's what I'm gonna do. And this is an amount of, I would say, 2 pots of cardamom, and then saffron is gonna be around maybe 1/8 of the teaspoon. But this small amount is gonna give it really rich taste. Of course, if you don't have saffron or cardamom, it can be skipped, but it makes a big difference. Anyways, we're gonna wait now until it boils again for a few minutes, and then we will proceed with the rest. I'm gonna add now around 3 teaspoons of black tea. You can also use the tea bags, it's totally fine. And again, wait for it to boil one more time. After that we will need sugar, and it's gonna be around 3 teaspoons as well. And while it's already boiling, we can proceed to add this evaporated milk. Now the key point is to let the karak boil on a small fire, and once you see it boils, turn it off, leave it for maybe 1 minute, then bring it to boil once again, and again leave it for 1 minute off, and then third time should be fine already. So I'll wait to do this 3 steps, and then I will come back to you. My karak is ready, just right on time, because literally the sun is on the horizon. So we're gonna taste it now. The thing is that I forgot the small little tool that you have to put to catch all the tea leaves, so just mind it for the future, you will need it. Otherwise you can just let karak to sit for some time, and all the tea leaves, they are gonna collapse at the bottom. Okay, let's check if it's drinkable. It's amazing. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Again, I'm repeating, I'm not the expert on karak, but this is how I make it and this is how I like it. So I hope you find this video helpful and try it if you haven't tried it yet. Really, it's kind of like an addiction for me. I really associate it with all the winter memories and camping. It's kind of like coffee that gets associated with mornings, right? Anyways, like this video, press the thumbs up under the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I guess I'll see you soon inshallah in the next video. مع السلامة.